And Assalamu alaikum, my students, my fellows. How are you? Fine? Hope you fine. Okay. Yes, today our topic is question answer unit 5 at last question answer. So let's see. Here is some question, but after I share you some additional question. Okay, students. So let's see. Firstly, write a note on character of Hubert. Yes. As you know, you read a all story of lesson. Mr. Hubert is a honest man and innocent. He loved his innocence, his honor, and his reputation. So he did not accept the rough behavior of a community and village people. So at the end, he died in a for take attention a liar to be a liar man. Okay, so let's write. Hubert or the old man or a Hubert. Was a man of honor. Innocence and have respected. So when the people of village called to be called a name a liar he was ill to take tension at the end he was there. Okay, yes स्टूडेंट्स, आंसर लिखते वक्त आपने 2 to 3 लाइंस का आंसर लिखने हैं. ब्रीफली आंसर दें, टू द पॉइंट. जहाँ एक्सप्लेन करने का कहा जाए वहाँ आपने एक्सप्लेन भी करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो बिकॉज योर मार्क्स आर 10 to 12 marks, so see to according to your marks, you should write answer in a 2 to 3 lines. Okay, because you manage your timetable. And the next, write a note mentality of I write a short write a note on a mentality of people who did not believe on Mr. Hubert character. Okay, so let's write. They were village people and they did not have sense to respect their fellows to village people or others, their fellows and others. And understand, students. And the next, what did Mayer not believe on innocence of Hubert? Mayer not believe on innocence of Hubert. Mayer not believe to innocence of Hubert in the cause of the Mr. Manana was a trusted man to near a Mayer. So Mayer not to believe to innocence of Hubert. The cause मिस्टर मेयर जो है उसने मिस्टर ह्यूबर्ट पे जो है उसकी इनोसेंस पे, उसकी मासूमियत पे यकीन क्यों नहीं किया? द रीज़न, इट्स अ रीज़न द कॉज ऑफ या रीज़न. the cause Mr. Manana was trustworthy man and he had seen to picking to wallet or purse, to picking to purse or wallet. Wallet is suitable. Wallet from to wallet to from the road. Okay, the cause of because of, okay, the cause or a because Mr. Manana was trustworthy man and he had seen picking to wallet from the road. Okay, so Mayor did not believe on innocence of Herbert. The cause of or a because. Okay, student. At the end, for a best understanding, you include it according to question. Yes. So Mayor did not believe on innocence of Herbert. So next, was it necessary for Herbert to continue pleading his innocence? Think about what is necessary for Herbert to continue pleading his innocence. Yes, of course. Yes, he continued be. So next at of course or yes, it's necessary. At the end or a start? Necessary for Herbert to continue pleading his innocence. because he was an honest man and he loved his honor and reputation. But he did not prove it. So did not prove it at the did not prove it. He lost and we do an oral because no place. Yes, he lost all of it. He lost it all of it. उसने ये सब कुछ खो दिया ना. Okay, his honor, his reputation, because he cannot prove it, so he lost of all it. इसने ये सब खो दिया. But he should not lose patience and he continued pleading his innocence. क्या ख्याल है? So at the next question, what suggestion can you give to Hubert to save him such a humiliating? आप क्या suggest करेंगे? So please telling. Okay, I tell you. Yes, he must have known that we live cruel and selfish people. Okay, they do not bother the feeling of others. So he should have compromise with life और with his life. Okay, students, here is answer. Yanki, what suggestion can you give to Hubert to save him such a humiliating? आप क्या सजेशन देंगे मिस्टर ह्यूबर्ट को इस सारी सिचुएशन में, जब आपकी ऐसी एनवायरनमेंट हो, कम्युनिटी ऐसी हो, तो क्या करना चाहिए? हमें फेस करना चाहिए ऐसे लोगों को जब आप ओनली yes he must have known that we, सबसे पहले उसे जो है इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए, एनी अदर मैन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले हमने इस चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करना है कि हम जिस सोसाइटी में, जिस कम्युनिटी में रह रहे हैं, हमने उनको फेस करना है। सबसे पहले हमें फेस करना आना चाहिए। जब तक हम फेस करना नहीं सीखेंगे, हम उनकी बातों का आंसर नहीं कर सकते। बट वी शुड साइलेंस इज़ बेस्ट एंड डोंट एक्सप्लेन योर कैरेक्टर एंड योर ट्रूथ, बिकॉज let's see, he must have known that we live cruel and selfish people. Understand? You better understand. They don't want bother the feelings of others. Okay? So, what should he? क्या करना चाहिए था उसे? So, he should have compromised with his life. ये तो वो कर ही सकता था ना, अपनी लाइफ से कंप्रोमाइज़, बजाय इसके कि वो टेंशन लेता। और टेंशन लेके क्या हुआ? सो वेस्ट अवे। Yes, students, these questions are from our textbooks. Okay, and let's some additional question adding for you. Do you want to do additional question? Please comments and sharing me. Okay, students, and subscribe my channel for my next videos. Okay, student, so let's see next. Firstly, I think I share you some discuss my English speaking and English writing. ओनली जब स्टूडेंट जब हम एक लेसन जो है, जब हम उसको रीड करते हैं, वो सिर्फ एक रीडिंग नहीं, बल्कि हम एक एज अ स्टोरी की तरह उसको जो है वो उसको स्टडी करते हैं। तो हमारी स्टडी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि जब स्टेप बाय स्टेप होनी चाहिए। आप जस्ट रीडिंग करेंगे, रीडिंग मीन सिर्फ पढ़ा और वो क्या हो गया, फॉरगेट। नो, सो ऐसी रीडिंग नहीं करनी, आपने स्टडी करना है उसको, स्टीमली स्टडी, उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप अपने उसको यूनिट को डिवाइड कर लें 2 पोर्शन और 3 पोर्शन। बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप जब आप करेंगे तो मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि आपको जो है वो क्वेश्चन इनके आंसर लर्न करने पड़े। क्या ख्याल है? जब आप उसको समझ के करेंगे ना तो ख़ुद ब खुद आपको आंसर, आपने खुद क्रिएटिव आंसर होना चाहिए आपका आंसर क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए, बजाय इसके कि आप बुक पकड़ें और उस बुक में से देख के उसको पढ़ रहे हैं, उसको बार बार उसको याद कर रहे हैं। इस तरह का आंसर नहीं होना चाहिए। और आंसर जो है आपका ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सेम टू सेम बुक वाला हो, ठीक है। वो आपने क्रिएटिव आंसर आपका होना चाहिए। खुद आपकी ग्रामर अच्छी है तो आप खुद ब खुद लिखेंगे, आपको लिखना आता है, बस एक कॉन्फिडेंस रहे, आप खुद से लिखें। और बट आई शेयर यू these points in my next lecture, okay students, because this lecture is so long. I share you next video and I adding you some question, just like what was ready for meal, what was ready for meal, बताएंगे आप उस खाने में क्या कुछ था। यस, थिंक अबाउट। यस, चिकन, यस, पिजन, लेग्स ऑफ मटन, बीफ्स, यस, ये सब कुछ था, ये सब कुछ, ठीक है, याद आया। अब देखिए, एक फैसिलिटेटर को भी सब कुछ याद हो जाता है, तो मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि स्टूडेंट्स को याद ना हो। याद नहीं किया, याद करना नहीं पड़ता, ये हो जाता है जब आप स्टडी करते हैं। ओके, सो चिकन, पिजन्स, लेग्स ऑफ मटन, ओके, एंड और भी कुछ था, क्या था? यस, रोस्टेड बीफ, वेजिटेबल, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल, सैलड्स, लीव्स and appetizing, okay, order of beef roasted, yes, and next, what did diner discuss? What did diner discuss? खाने वालों की गुफ्तगू का क्या, उनका मौजू क्या था? यस, देव टॉपिक, वो वाला टॉपिक नहीं है यहाँ पे। द पीपल्स इन डिस्कस इन एग्जिबिशन फॉर सेलिंग एंड परचेजिंग, okay, they've told each others about selling and purchasing and discussed to crops and weather. And next, what did most of diners stand? It's a common question. The most of diners stood. They heard the sound of drum beat, so they expected some public announcement. And the next, what was public announcement? What was public announcement? Public announcement में क्या था? It was wallet containing 500 shilling and some business papers, okay, and was lost on the between 9 to 10 a.m. The finder is requested to return some same mayor office, and Mr. James caretaker, public hall, and what's the price? बताएं। प्राइस क्या रखा गया था? कितना? थिंक अबाउट स्टूडेंट, क्या रिवॉर्ड रखा गया था? यस, 20 shilling. Their wheel rewarded 20 shilling. And the next, what did police officer ask Mr. Hubert? ये पुलिस ऑफिसर ने मिस्टर ह्यूबर्ट से क्या कहा? Yes, he asked to accompany him to mayor office as a mayor wanted to talk to him. Okay, and the next, what accusation did the mayor make against Hubert? मिस्टर ह्यूबर्ट पर क्या इल्ज़ाम लगाया गया? He told him the Mr. James or Mr. had seen him picking up the lost pocketbook or purse or wallet. And the next, how did old man react him when he told Mr. Manana saw him picking a purse? He remembered something, understood, the became red with anger, and he cried he had seen him picking 2 pieces of string. What were comment of mayor about Mr. Manana? Yes, the mayor said to about Mr. Manana that Mr. Manana is a trusted and worthy man. So, mayor or so he believed him. And the next, how did the old man try to make them believe him? Or what did old man to attest his honor? Or next 3 questions. Listen once. I repeat it. How did old man try to make them believe? उस बूढ़े आदमी ने अपना यकीन दिलाने की कोशिश की या फिर उस बूढ़े आदमी ने अपनी इज्जत व वक़ार की किस तरह तस्दीक की? Yes. And at the last question, why did old man take oaths? उस ओल्ड मैन ने उसने क्यों कस्में खाई? उस ओल्ड मैन ने क्यों ओथ क्यों लिया उसने? Are you tell me? Not? Yes. So I tell you, कस्में क्यों खाई? He lifted his hand and spat aside to attest his honor. He should not ask to make them believe that he was innocent. Understand? At the next, यानी कि उसने क्या किया? अब इसकी ट्रांसलेशन भी सुनना चाह रहे हैं। उसने अपना हाथ उठाया और अपनी इज़्ज़त की तस्दीक के लिए एक तरफ क्या किया? उसने स्पिट किया और फिर उन्हें यकीन दिलाने के लिए कि वो बेगुनाह है, चिल्ला चिल्ला कर क्या किया? कस्में खाई। एट द नेक्स्ट, why did old man and Mr. Manana abuse each other? Yes, उस ओल्ड मैन ने और मिस्टर मनाना ने एक दूसरे को क्यों अब्यूज़ किया? मिस्टर Manana accused the old man of picking up purse. So the old man rejected his claim. So the old man rejected his claim. And in this situation, in this tug of war, both men became angry and abuses each other. Okay, student? So it's some cause of abuses. And the next, what did the old man fall in? It's the same answer in the first question. He went to a village and he told everyone about her adventure, but he so believed nobody believed him and no trust him. So the old man, this thing made him ill. This thing made him ill. And who returned the purse of honor? A man namely George. A man namely George returned the purse to Mr. James. And the next, how did incident affect the old man health? इस वाक़े ने उस ओल्ड मैन की हेल्थ पे क्या असर डाला? Yes, the incident harmed his sense of self-esteem and he was consumed with his disgrace. He wasted away before the very eyes of people. And finally he died. At the end, or finally he died. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डिड पीपल टेल अ स्टोरी ऑफ स्ट्रिंग? वो जो लोग थे वो रस्सी की कहानी किस तरह सुना रहे थे? द पीपल, यस, told the story each others, people of village and enjoyment. Think about, क्या ख्याल है आपका? The amused themselves, the people told the story of string. Manner of soldier, he had returned for battlefield. And their attitude injured the very soul of old man. He began wash day by day, and he fell in and died. What was engraved on the tombstone of the old man? उस बूढ़े आदमी के मज़ार पे क्या लिखा गया? Yes, it was engraved, here lies a man who was told nothing but trust. He was told nothing but trust. What? क्या कंधा किया गया? Here lies a man who would not prove his innocence, but flood proved it. Okay, and the end. What is the moral lesson of story? Yes, the story tell us we should not blame an innocence and an honest man, and we should respect others fellows and men's, because every man has a respect for his personality. So we should avoid telling to a liar, and we follows manners of as a woman. क्या ख्याल है? ऐसा ही है। इंसान अशरफुल मखलूक़ात जब कहा गया है तो फिर क्या कह सकते हैं? So thank you so much watching my lecture. So see you next.